Welcome back now to Saturday Sports Special. Reigning ISA Boys Champs winners Jamaica College produced one of the standout performances of the 2022 Gibson McCook Relays, smashing the record in the 4x800 meters open at the National Stadium today. Edwin Allen were also in record-breaking form in the 4x100 meters. With intentions of retaining the ISA Boys Champs title this year, Jamaica College sent out a warning to their rivals at the Gibson McCook Relays on Saturday. The team from Old Hope Road stopped the clock in 7 minutes 24.30 seconds, anchored by Javon Blake, to finish ahead of Kingston College 7:36.21 and St. Jago 7:45.46 in the 4x800 meter relay open. Defending and 8-time girls champs winners Edwin Allen were superb in winning the Class 1 4x100 meters as they were again in record-breaking form.
Now to Tia Clayton.
The quartet of Serena Cole, Tina Clayton, Brandy Hall and Tia Clayton blazed to a record 43.37 seconds to comfortably defeat Heidel, who stopped the clock in 44.40, and St. Jago 45.50. As for the seniors, Racers Track Club took the men's 4x100 as the team of Olympic finalist Oblique Seville on lead-off to former World Under-20 champion Antonio Watson, European champion Zarnell Hughes and Miguel Francis on anchor took them home in 38.89 seconds. It bettered the 39.56 seconds run by Sprintech at the Western Relays at GC Foster College 2 weeks ago. Sprintech crossed the line second in 39.19 and GC Foster third in 40.02. St. Jago's boys brought the curtains down with a season's best 3 minutes 10.47 seconds to win the 4x400 meters open, ahead of Kingston College 3:11.13 and Jamaica College 3:12.49.
Sir, we were quite confident, sir, because we did all the work in our training, we listened to our coaches, and we come out and just execute, sir.
With a win like this, how does this set you up a chance?
Sir, it just builds our confidence, sir. It builds our confidence, and like our mindset is just like out there now, sir.
Earlier, Heidel took the girls section in 3 minutes 33.76 seconds, ahead of reigning girls champs winners Edwin Allen 3 minutes 41.66 and Homewood Technical 3 minutes 42.32.
This motivated us. We know that we're in good stead going forward to champs. We're just going to remain humble, put in more work, and hopefully better the time that we did today.
Over in the club section, Sprintech pulled away from Racers Track Club to win the men's event in 3 minutes 05.16 seconds.